welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Isabella. I'm using a new camera. I don't know if you noticed, but hopefully it's better. I got a microphone, I got a stand. Crazy. Okay. In this video, I'm going to show you guys all the things that I packed for my trip to Chicago. I have been in Chicago for 2 weeks. I have another 2 weeks here, so it's officially, or maybe I've been here for 3 weeks. I have a week left. Something like that. For reference, my boyfriend lives here, so I will come to Chicago on like a month basis or a month and a half or 2 month basis. So I really have to get good at packing, and I feel like I have a pretty good grasp on it, which is why I wanted to talk about it today. I have always been an overpacker for as long as I've lived. Now I really, sometimes I do that. But for a month long or over a month long trip, I'm not gonna pack multiple checked bags. It's not happening. But this is definitely a guide for people who are usually an overpacker, not for people who usually underpack. Because as you'll see, I have a lot of tops, a lot of bottoms. I packed a lot of clothes, but it feels less than what I normally would. And it all kind of goes together in a capsule wardrobe type of scheme, if that makes sense. For me, it's packing down, and for probably some of you watching, it's packing down for a month, and I really do hope it's helpful. Some reference too for when I pack all of these items into my check bag, and then I have a carry-on that I also check just because it's Southwest and it's free. And the carry-on has my shoes, it has my books, it has all of my products like skincare, shower stuff, all that. And then I'll have my personal item, and I'll have like my laptop in there, other just essential stuff, and that's how I pack usually. First, I wanted to go over some simple tips about going somewhere for a month. My first tip is definitely, if it's in the US or if you can fly Southwest, because you get checked baggage for free, right? You get 2 free checked bags on Southwest, so you can pack more and you'll be fine. The second is to look at the weather for the time that you're gonna be there. I usually do this for a week-long trip or a weekend-long trip as well, but for a month, it's really gonna vary. I came to Chicago in April. I'm gonna be leaving in May, and when I first got here, it was so hot, and then it got cold. It snowed here. Now it's usually 50s, but I've really gotten a range of like 40s to 80s in just the span of 3 weeks. So just be aware of that and have things that you can wear during all different kinds of weather. Usually when I'm packing for a week, I will know the weather for that day and I will pack an outfit specifically for that weather. But when it comes to packing for a month, I don't pack by outfit, I pack by tops and bottoms that go together. So it's a little bit more tricky, but that's why I'm making this video, so that it's hopefully not tricky, because I was looking for a video like this, little sidebar, I was looking for a video like this where it was someone who had a checked bag for a month, and a lot of people just have a carry-on luggage for a month. So this is for people who can have a checked bag or do like to have a check bag when you're going away for a long time. And I guess my last tip would be make sure that all of your clothes go together, like you literally are creating a capsule wardrobe. I definitely feel like if you're going away for a month, having color really hurts you because you're gonna wear it once and you're gonna regret packing it. So I definitely recommend doing a neutral wardrobe when you're away, even though it's very difficult for people like me that like to have a variety in what you wear or else you get bored. So just noting that. I need to remind myself of that. You need to remind yourself of that. Everything just needs to go together. So first, I'm gonna go over every single item that I packed. I'll go over the tops I packed, the outerwear I packed, the bottoms, bags, shoes, and accessories. Every time I say something out loud, there's gonna be a photo of it so that you have an idea of exactly what I packed, and you'll be able to sense the color scheme. So for tops, I packed a white sweater, a white button-up oversized, a white button-up that's fitted, a white turtleneck, a white crop tank top, a white crop t-shirt that I'm wearing right now, a white full-length t-shirt, a white graphic t-shirt, a cream silk tank top, a gray long sleeve, a gray workout long sleeve, a gray short sleeve, a gray tank top, a black off-the-shoulder sweater, a black tank top, and a black workout tank top. For outerwear, I have a gray zip-up, a green crew neck, and a black leather jacket. For bottoms, I brought 2 black pairs of leggings, 1 green pair of leggings, blue biker shorts, 1 pair of blue jeans, my brown oversized pants that I just thrifted, my gray linen pants that I just thrifted, my blue and white striped pants, a white skirt, a jean skirt, a cargo skirt, white cargo shorts, white sweatpants, black sweatpants / workout pants, and brown sweatpants. For bags, I packed my white crossbody, my black shoulder bag, my brown shoulder bag, a tote bag, a black fanny pack, and then my silver tote bag. And for my shoes, I brought my white New Balances, my black Sambas, my tan slides, and my black Steve Madden platform slides. And then extras, which you would just normally pack, but I'm not gonna show photos, is pajamas, underwear, socks, bras, bralettes, obviously sports bras, my black Nike Pros for wearing them under my skirts, 1 bathing suit, 1 hat, 2 pairs of glasses, and jewelry. Next, I want to show you guys some of the outfits that I've worn so far and ones that I can create from the clothes that I brought but I haven't worn yet. So this can just be used as spring and summer outfit inspiration for you guys, so I hope it's helpful.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it.
So that's all of the outfits and all the things that I packed for a month in Chicago. If you have any questions whatsoever or comments, anything, let me know. I love when you guys comment and I love when you like my videos and subscribe. It literally means so much. Every time I see a comment, it makes me so happy. Genuinely, it's so kind. If you have any recommendations for me, if you want to see anything, let me know. I'm always open, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I want it all night. I want it all night. Say it.